Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by matching intent to source. Know the clip's resolution, frame rate, and codec so you can choose the right target. Once that's done, enable Mercury GPU acceleration in project settings to speed rendering and effects. Next, import your footage and create a sequence at the higher target resolution. Don't upscale in a mismatched sequence. This sets Premiere to process pixels correctly and prevents extra scaling artifacts later. Make sure your timeline uses high-quality playback settings so you see accurate results. Now you perform the actual upscale and enhancement. Add detail-preserving upscale to the clip, set input and output sizes to your target resolution, and tweak the scale and reduce noise sliders until edges look natural. Once that's done, use Lumetri color to correct exposure and boost midtone contrast. This helps perceive detail. Apply a light sharpen. Too much sharpening creates halos. For frame rate conversion or smoother motion, enable optical flow in time interpolation and render previews to check quality. Finish by exporting with settings that preserve your upscale. Choose H. 265 for efficient 4K or ProRes for editing masters. Enable render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Use VBR, 2-pass encoding, and set a reasonable target and max bitrate for your resolution. Once exported, review at full resolution to confirm detail and motion. If you see halos, blockiness, or noise, reduce sharpening, increase noise reduction, or switch between detail-preserving upscale and native scale to frame size methods and re-render to compare results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.